going to show you how to make a cherry frangipane tart. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of cherries. You can use jarred, canned, or fresh. Just make sure there's no seeds. A cup of almond powder. 1/3 cup of slivered almonds. 1/2 cup of sugar. 1/3 cup of butter. 3 eggs. A few drops of almond extract, a little powdered sugar, and pastry dough. Put your dough into your baking dish and cut off any of the excess to make it look good. And then you just need to poke the dough a little bit so that it won't explode while cooking. So just make a few holes across the whole surface, like that. And what we're going to do now is pre-cook the dough a little bit, because it doesn't cook enough while the filling is in it. So to do so, put a piece of parchment paper on top of it, and then you need to cover it with something heavy. So you can use rice or noodles or rocks, whatever you want. The dough needs to pre-cook for 15 minutes in an oven at 180 Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit. While the crust is pre-cooking, it's a good time to make the filling. Start out by beating together the butter, which I've previously melted in the microwave, with the sugar. Then whip in the eggs. Add in the almond powder. And add in a few drops of almond extract. You really only need a few because it is a very strong fragrance. So there, I added about 5. When your dough has pre-cooked, spread the cherries along the whole surface of the dough. So just cover it with cherries like that, and then pour the liquid on top. Try and make it kind of equal. And last but not least, sprinkle the almond slivers on top. And there we go. It goes in the oven now for a half an hour at 180 Celsius and 360 Fahrenheit still. And if it starts getting too brown while it's cooking, cover it with some aluminum foil. And that way it will continue to cook and it will stop getting brown. Once the tart has gotten cold, take a spoon and sprinkle the powdered sugar on top. And that's how you make cherry frangipane tart in Morgan's kitchen. Bon appétit!